Hello, hello, hello to everyone that's out there. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. I hope everyone enjoyed their weekend and everyone is preparing for the Thanksgiving break that's here. I'm sorry, my guys, my lips is a little dry today. I'm extremely excited that Thanksgiving is almost here. For those that don't know, Thanksgiving is one of my favorite holidays because I love to eat. So what I want to do is just share some information with you guys. If you could just let me know where you're tuning in from, that'd be great. And if you're watching this later on, hashtag replay. And I'm going to talk to you guys about something very special that I have going on coming up for all of those who are in direct mail marketing. I have something that is going to be absolutely phenomenal. It's not going to be nothing like you've ever seen before. What I like to do is things that's different from what the average person is doing, and I love to really help people speed up their results. The more money I can help other people make, the more money I make. So I'm really geared to giving people value. Not only that, showing people how to earn quickly, and not only that, efficiently, so that I can keep earning. The more that you give to people, the more that you'll get out of it. I truly believe that, and that's what I aim towards. If everybody could just let me know where they're tuning in from, that'd be great. Hey Dana, hey Charles, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey Morris, hey Tina, hey Stephanie. Yeah, let me know what city and state you're tuning in from. So I'm going to go ahead and open up these packages, and then we're going to talk about this information that I have, what I have going on, and what's to come, what I've been working on. I know I haven't been on as often as I normally am, but I'm kind of like in vacation mode. I'm about to be out of the country soon, and right now I'm just kind of preparing for that. But not only that, spending more time with the family, seeing that the holiday season is here. This is one pack of stamps from Alnisa. She joined and upgraded, and I received an electronic payment. So she sent in one book of stamps for that. Thank you so much, Alnisa. I really appreciate it. Barry from North Carolina. Hey, Mona from Philly. How you doing, Mona? Hey, Tina. Hey, Stephanie. Shemeka from Texas. I received your envelope. Let's see what we have here tonight. From Shemeka. Shemeka, she came in at the emerald level. Here's her envelope here. And she signed up with someone else on my team. And I received a $20 payment and another book of stamps. So thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. I have another one from Carol from Georgia. Carol from Georgia. Hey, Shell. Hey, Roosevelt. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Hey, Shay. Hey, Dwayne. Hey, Mark. So, yeah, I have some great stuff coming up. Hey, Mary. And I think you guys are really going to be blown away. I'm going to show people some additional ways to make some revenue. Hold on one second. I got to grab my scissors. This is kind of hard to open. And I'm putting together some great things with some great people who kind of understand where people are failing at the most and what we can do to actually help people to increase their results. So that's what I'm currently working on. And it's going to really impact everyone that's in the direct mail business, no matter what direct mail opportunity you're in. This is from Carol from Georgia. She came in at the Ruby level. She joined someone else on my team, and I received $50 and 2 books of stamps. Okay. So that's what I've been working on, and I just really been thinking about it over time, over and over and over again. You know, how people really want more results. They want to be able to duplicate. They want to know what are they missing, and not only that, how to get funding for their business. Not by taking out a loan, but just a way to make money. And that's one of the things that I mastered. Before I really got into online, I knew how to make money without working a full-time job. And I think what a lot of people need is a way to keep up with funding their business while their business grow, and being able to do that consistently. And that's really key. you know, because nobody wants to run out of money trying to build their dreams and wind up failing to do so to make a full-time income because they just don't have the money to keep pumping into their business. So that's one of the things that I'm going to be working on, so that people can start funding their business, funding the direct mail opportunity, getting to where they need to go faster, and being able to have the money to do so in a shorter period of time. Okay. This came from Vala from Michigan. Received your information. She came in at the Ruby level, and she joined someone else on my team, and I received $50 and 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, Vala. Glad to have you a part of the team. So that's really one of the most important things I think it is with this, with direct mail period, is that people just want other avenues to be able to pump into their business, be able to get everything at a discounted rate, be able to know exactly everything that they need in order to get started, and be able to do it effectively. So yeah, that's what we're going to be working on. Christine from Minnesota. Let's see what we have. Christine from Minnesota, I received your package. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is going to launch this membership, well, information for direct mail. This is going to be for all of my teammates and people that are in other direct mail opportunities. I'm going to be launching this in January. It should be completely done by then. And I will be working with everybody who joins the opportunity. Will be able to, you know, connect with me directly, ask questions, and be able to get help consistently. So Christine came in at the Sapphire level, and I received a total of, she sent 4 books of stamps. It's really 2, actually 2 books of stamps. It's one-sided. So 2 books of stamps here. And she came in at the Sapphire level, which is a $300 payment. So here's the $300 I received. Glad to have you a part of the team, Christine. Guys, please make sure to reach out to me for your website and your cover letter if you are with me directly, or if you need that and you don't have that. That's really important. So Doug from LA. I received your packet here. Let's open this up. Hey, Sean. Hey, Javada. No, you do not need to be on my team to get help. This is going to be for anyone that's in direct mail marketing is going to have access to this training, literally step by step, broken down into modules. That's going to be easy to duplicate, easy to understand, and it's not going to take up a lot of your time. Okay. Doug came in with someone else on my team at the Emerald level. I received $20 and 1 book of stamps. Okay. And then we have Joe from Mississippi. I received your packet, Joe. Yes, this is for everyone. Okay, so this came in from Joe. And let's open this up. Okay, Joe came in. He joined someone else on my team. Came in at the Sapphire level. All right, Joe, let's see what we have here. Here is his envelope, and it's a $100 payment and 2 books of stamps. So here's the 2 books of stamps and $100. Thanks so much, Joe. Glad to have you a part of the team. Not only that, what I want to do is I'm going to be doing a one-stop shop. So that's another thing. People are going to be able to get leads at a discounted rate, cover their customized cover letter, funnels, websites, for any program. And they're going to be able to get all of that information, no matter what program you're with. If you don't have that, I'm going to help people with that as well. Because a lot of people are just not promoting direct mail the right way, and they're missing the main pieces of the puzzle in order to make their business run. Okay, this came in from Martha. Here's an envelope. Let's see what we have. Here's 2 books of stamps. I didn't get a sheet, so let's see what we have in here. Normally you want to send a sheet in. Okay, so Martha, she came in at the Sapphire level and she sent a total of almost $400. And that's going to be for website and for her to actually join the program. Okay, so hey Adri, hey George, hey Felix, thanks so much. So thank you so much, Sean. Hey Jeff, everybody let me know where you're tuning in from. So what I'm going to be doing is in this training that I'm going to be giving, it's going to be ongoing, so this thing is going to be forever. And it's going to assist people, answer questions. Not only that, show people everything that I've done to earn multiple six figures with direct mail marketing, because I want people to just really understand that if I can do it, anybody can do it. I didn't go to school for this. This is not something that I really learned overnight, but of course with trial and error, I was able to understand what I was missing, what was the really important elements to starting a direct mail, being successful with direct mail. So I think that that's really important. And then not only that, giving people the light bulb moment so that people understand where they went wrong, what to do this time around, and how to fix what it is that was messed up. And then I'm going to basically guarantee your success. If you follow what I'm teaching you over the course of a 90 to 120 days, you should start building momentum if you are following the training. And everything that I'm teaching you, you're not going to have to do everything, but there are some things that's going to be important, and I'm going to point out those things that are really important for your success. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85. That's $540. And then I have a $400 money order. So I just did $800. This is over the weekend. I checked the mail on Friday, so this was from Saturday and Monday. And then I also have a ton of stamps here. Guys, the stamps is going to help tremendously with sending out mailings to your team, to people who may want to be a part of your team. The more stamps you get in the mail, it really lowers the amount of money you have to put out, because stamps is really the most important, not only that, the most costly part of this whole process. So we're going to go over that. We're going to go over just things that I put on my envelopes, what the flyers, when your flyers are going out, what they should look like, what they should include, how many you should send, what type of budget you need, what you should be doing online if you can, and all of that good stuff. So I have a lot in store for you guys. I'm really excited for what 2020 has to offer to all of us. And I just want people to really be successful with direct mail. I really want people to know that if I can do it, anybody can do it. And that's what I'm going to do. So I want to say thank you so much for tuning in Monday evening. And I will be back with you guys again before the end of the week. Enjoy your week. Stay blessed. And I'll talk to you again sometime this week. Thank you.